Yen strengthening. Exploring market movements. After Ishiba's election and opportunities to sell the dollar, from September 23 to September 27, I achieved a total profit of 110,196 USD through careful trading. Focused on selling the dollar, accumulating gains throughout the week. Sharp decline and caution against rebound following Ishiba's election. In the early part of the week, significant yen selling occurred due to comments from Bank of Japan Governor Ueda and expectations of Takeshi winning the LDP presidential election, causing USD JPY to surge to the 146 yen level. However, unexpected market movements occurred following Ishiba's election. Given the differing stances on monetary policy between Ishiba and Takeshi, the yen strengthened by over 4 yen. Cautious about a rebound immediately after the sharp decline, I executed careful, small trades, ultimately securing stable profits. As Ishiba's comments may continue to unsettle the market, ongoing vigilance is necessary. Future focus points. Fluctuations in the yen exchange rate. In the New York foreign exchange market on the 27th, the yen strengthened with the exchange rate reaching around 142 yen per dollar. Ishiba's election in the LDP presidential race has led to expectations of a rate hike from the Bank of Japan, driving yen buying. This is a stark reversal from the previous day's yen selling, which favored Takeshi. In the New York market, expectations for continued Fed rate cuts have intensified movements to sell dollars and buy yen further, pushing the exchange rate down to the early 142 yen range. Declining United States 10-year Treasury yield and PCE deflator. The August PCE deflator was released, indicating a cooling of inflation. This has further strengthened expectations for Fed rate cuts. Although there is debate about whether another significant rate cut will occur within the year, I plan to continue with a selling perspective on the United States. Dollar. Currency outlook. United States dollar neutral. There are discrepancies between Fed and market rate cut predictions, with sensitive reactions to United States economic data. Changes are likely depending on upcoming data, maintaining a neutral stance. Japanese yen JPY neutral. Continued market focus on political condition and monetary policy is expected to lead to instability. Ishiba's comments and China's economic trends will influence the outlook. Maintaining a neutral stance. Euro-EUR neutral. Strong uncertainty surrounding ECB monetary policy, with movements likely influenced by EU indicators, leads to a neutral outlook. Australian dollar AUD buy. The hawkish stance of the RBA and interest rate advantages continue to support a buying direction for the Australian dollar. South African rand ZAR buy. The weakening of inflation and expectations for a unity government support the rand, leading to a buying direction. British pound GBP neutral. The Bank of England's policies and political uncertainty are expected to cap upward movement, keeping the pound neutral. Canadian dollar CAD neutral. The pace of easing by the Bank of Canada and the influence of oil prices result in a neutral stance for the Canadian dollar.